Here's how you can use the iPad's whiteboard feature on the Microsoft Teams. Let me show you exactly how it would work. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community so you don't miss anything important. Well, of course, you need to have your Microsoft Teams app ready so you can connect to the meetings. But in order to share stuff on your whiteboard, you also need a whiteboard app. And there are more of them available, but I think that it's the best option would be to use the Microsoft Whiteboard, because in it there, you can as well just sign in with the very same Microsoft account, and it's going to work well on both the iPad as well as like different devices like the iPhone. So that's pretty useful. But then once you're inside of the Teams meeting, you can just join an existing one or create one yourself or whatever. But the point is that you essentially just get inside as such. You just connect on a meeting as this, and then you can click on the share button with the rectangle, the arrow pointing to the top. Then you can tap on a share screen. So everything that's happening on the screen will be shared with the meeting members, and you of course get to decide if you want to include audio or not. That is up to you. Most likely you want to do this if you want to explain stuff on the whiteboard, so you click on that, and then you can click on start broadcast. So you see, that's how it kind of works. So you get the little countdown, and now what you have to do is just to open up the whiteboard app, the one we just downloaded, and everything is being shared to the meeting right now. So you can see you can start a new one and draw something in, whatever you want to present, but it is now part of that. So that is how it would work. I really hope that I can help you out with it. I think that's the best idea, the best way to use it. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.